Short form content is king right now. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a blur effect on your YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, just like that Apex Legends video I just showed. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first of our two plugins that we're going to need for OBS here comes from Aitum.tv. It's their vertical plugin. They made this in collaboration with Harris Heller, who's an absolutely amazing YouTuber in this space. If you haven't already heard of Senpai Gaming, I highly suggest checking them out. Lots of amazing stuff over there. But in terms of the plugin itself, we'll come to this website here and I'll leave the link down below. But we're going to hit download here and then we'll follow through with our installer in the top right, so that the next time that we load into OBS, we will be greeted with a vertical preview off to the side, as well as our vertical scenes and our sources. So what this plugin allows us to do is set up an entire scene, okay, with our camera, with our overlays, whatever we want. And then we can go live with that. We can record using it, or they have another feature that's really, really amazing. It's called Backtrack Clip Vertical, okay? And so what this does, say I was to get a squad wipe in Apex, okay, and it's this amazing clip, and I wanted to clip it. All that I have to do is come in here, set my hotkey, and how long I want those recordings to be. I can also do it so if I'm not recording or streaming, I can still run that backtrack, which is really, really cool. But all I have to do is set those settings, do whatever I did in the game, hit my hotkey, and then I'm going to get a recording of that video that's basically already set for posting, right? All of the sources that I wanted in that scene are already there, being recorded at all times. So it's a really, really amazing feature. So that is our first of the two plugins. I'm going to get into the second one right now. All right, so the second plugin that we have for this video is Composite Blur. I'll leave the link in the description for it as well. But what we're going to do is we will come to the website and we are going to hit download here. And then we're going to follow through with the installation in the top right. Next time that we come into OBS, we're going to have access to that Composite Blur filter. So if we look off to the right-handed side here, we have my vertical preview, and you're going to notice that there's a clear, crispy looking version of Apex, and then in behind it, we have that blurred version of it. And so the way that we do that is if we take a peek at my vertical sources here, we have my game capture of Apex, which this is that clear version up front. Then I have a group underneath it called Blur Apex. And so the reason that I have a group, which is something that you will have to add, so just hitting the plus and adding a group, is because if I was to add the filter to my normal Apex game capture, that would mean that every single version of Apex that I have is going to have that blur effect. So instead of doing that, I create a group and I put that filter on the group. So you're going to see here that I have Composite Blur turned on. If you don't already have it turned on, you're going to select it here. And then you have the option to affect the blur radius, so I can make it more intense or less intense. I have it around 22 right now, and I really like the look of that. So it's really, really easy to add this effect. I didn't see too many videos out there about it, so I wanted to bring that video to you guys today. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, be sure to drop a like and hit subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.